Thank you for clicking in to Breck Ironworks, YouTubers, social media followers. Today is October 3rd, 2025. Happy autumn from Breckenridge. This particular powder-coated feature is a stunning work of art. The client was very specific about finish, so we did a hammertone color, dark brown, hammertone finish, bronze ionized, I believe is the name. It's a cardinal powder coat color. When you have it, it has a UV rating, but it's not high temp. So we do this drop-in stainless steel pan. Stainless steel reflects rather than conducts, so it protects the integrity of the powder coat finish. This is the flat top, but this is a Summit Series log set. And this client came back in and I allowed them to specifically place the logs themselves. So it was a very accurate finish to a perfect creation. 970-759-3103. Jason at breckironworks.com. Reach out anytime and let's build one for your happy place together.